One day you're riding down the street, minding your own business, and then boom, you get hit by another driver and sustain injuries to yourself. But then you find out they're an uninsured motorist and have no insurance. Who pays now? We're going to break down everything you need to know right now. Hi, this is Sean Shamsi, a personal injury attorney here in California. I've been practicing 17 years, and I'm here to help victims get compensated for the injuries they've sustained in a car accident. If you've been injured in an accident and you're being bullied and pushed around by the insurance companies, visit my website and set a time to meet with me and my firm. You're entitled to proper compensation, and we're here to fight for your rights. Look, being involved in a car accident is frightening as it is. Now, come to find out, you've suffered injuries, have medical bills, and have damages to your property damage, and guess what? The other person has no insurance. Now what do you do? So what a lot of drivers don't know, and their agents don't let them know, is that uninsured motorists and underinsured motorists is a policy that will cover you in the event the other person doesn't have enough coverage or has no coverage at all to pay for the damages and medical bills in this particular accident. That's a particular policy you need to add to your policy to make sure you're covered in the event you've been hit by someone who has no insurance at all. Let's assume you get involved in an accident and the other person has no insurance at all, and you didn't buy uninsured motorist coverage. Guess what? You're out of luck. The only way for you then to recover your medical expenses or your pain and suffering is to personally sue him and hold him liable. But guess what? The person who didn't buy insurance in the first place is probably not going to have assets for you to go after. And once you get money judgment against them, they're probably going to file bankruptcy and leave you out in the cold again. So I want to point out one difference. There is a distinction between uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist. In an uninsured motorist situation, it involves the party who hit you has no insurance at all. In an underinsured situation, this occurs when the other person who hit you has insurance coverage, but does not have enough coverage to make you whole from the accident you're involved in. So you need to make sure to purchase uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist policies with your agent. But if you are worried about protecting you and your family in a situation when the other person does not have insurance, you better make sure you get the right coverage under your own policy to protect you and your family. But what a lot of clients don't know that I've spoken to them in the past, uninsured motorists and underinsured motorists cost pennies on the dollar. It's very inexpensive to buy an uninsured or underinsured policy in excess of $100,000 or anything higher than that. It's very inexpensive. So a lot of clients also don't know is that if you're involved in an uninsured motorist accident and the bills are on you to pay, don't forget you can also submit them to Medicare or Medi-Cal if you are eligible for them. Time and time again, I have personally had the occasion of speaking to my own clients who are involved in significant car accidents with serious bodily injuries, and unfortunately the person who hit him did not have insurance, and my client did not have uninsured motorists and was not aware that he can even buy that policy from his insurance company. Don't let that be you. Protect yourself, buy the proper insurance, talk to your agent, and make sure you're protected. Call your agent, or if you want to send me your policy you have right now, I'll be happy to go over with you for free of no charge and discuss the proper coverage for you for your uninsured or underinsured policy. If you've been injured in an accident or know somebody who has, please visit my website or call me at the office and set up a time so we can talk on the phone or we can meet personally.